Alright, so we're about to install this carbon fibers right here, the engine cover, the radiator cooling panel, and the battery cover and reservoir. So I already removed all that one in there, so it's just easy. We'll transfer that one pretty much. So hold this one. Alright, so let's start on this. So this is pretty much just a direct replacement. That's a direct replacement right there. And let's put them on first here. This hole right here is very small for the other one. Let's try to drill that one. Alright, let's drill that one in there. The hole is very small. Alright. Oof. Cut that one first. Alright, so alright, there you go. So pretty much we just replacement. Put that one in. Let's see over here. All this. Alright. Where's the other hole? Make sure that it's on the hole. We'll replace that one next time. Make sure that that one works, and the one on the end. Right, that's how it works. Okay, we'll replace that one. Let me see. I could have put my finger in there. Yeah, I can grab that one. Only few lines. Right, let's try to close. Alright, that's close. Alright, there's one. Alright, so that's the cooling panel. So let's remove this one. I think that one is harder. But let's do the engine cover. Let's see where's my tools at. Double check what size is that. Hey, too big. Oh, too big. Where's the other tools? Let me see here. Let's see what size is that. No. Oh, there we go. All right, so there's 4. Oh my god, what? Alright, so now we're changing the bolt to this new one. Hopefully this one lock and fit, or else we're screwed. Where's the hole? Oh, I can't find the hole. Let's see. Oh, I don't know if it doesn't reach. All right, there you go. All you need just a little lock. If we could lock it a little bit, should be good to go. All right. Okay. Two more. We dropped the red one, so we change it to this. Good thing this thing fit. And last thing is this one right here. All right, so that one is, let's get that one. That's already finished. So I keep dropping things, man. Where is it?
It's under here.
All right, so we installed that one carbon fiber. We installed that one, and look like the red one is beautiful there. That one, and I just replaced it. All right, whatever. All right. That's carbon fiber engine bay now. So next one is this too. All right. Let's continue that one. All right, we just finished installing 3 things. Just that's carbon fiber there now. So we're gonna install that side there. All right, to complete the carbon fiber for our engine bay. Right, one more thing to remove right there. Okay. All right, so right there. So this one is easy, just clip. That one you have to transfer the rubber grommet of this hole in order you to put it in the new one. That one you have to remove this rubber piece. You're gonna break those one. Make sure you have a new small clip for that one. And for the rain guard, the rubber rain guard, make sure you put the white thing first on the rubber in order to install it back to the new cover for the carbon fiber. All right, so let's go ahead and finish the other side. All right, finally the pieces are finished. Just install the carbon fiber in there. All right, make sure all that one in there is tight. Tight. All the rubber piece is tight. Alright, all the rubber piece is tight. Alright. Alright, engine bay is done. I think with the red one, that one popped. So, but all carbon fiber piece. Well, don't matter. Still good. All carbon fiber. Different look. Alright, let's go.